Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Abdi Fatah and today I'm going to show you a simple, easy Scotch egg. The key ingredients for this dish is camel sausage, breadcrumbs, and some boiled egg. To start with, I'm going to peel off the skin from the sausage. Scotch egg is all-in-one mini breakfast. You can also have it as an appetizer snack. Get little water on your hands so that the sausage doesn't stick on your hands. Flatten the sausage and make a round shape. Spread the sausage, sit your egg in there. Spread the sausage over the egg and seal that over. You do the same method to the remaining sausages and the eggs by peeling off the skin, applying some water in your hands, flattening your sausage, spreading over, sitting your egg in there, spread the sausage over the egg, and you just seal that over. You can either spread the breadcrumbs over the sausage or roll it over with the breadcrumbs. Let the oil become hot. Once breadcrumbed, lower the eggs carefully coated with the sausage into the hot vegetable oil for 10 to 12 minutes. The eggs are cooked soft. The objective is to cook the sausage and get a crispy Scotch egg. And to seal that outer crust, keep those wonderful juice in from the camel sausage meat. It's super important. This is awesome. You can often tell a good Scotch egg by the weight. Drain them with a paper to get over excess oil. My Scotch egg looks great and crispy. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share with your friends and family. Until my next video, goodbye and thanks for watching.